Welcome to this lesson. In this part, we are going to use ChatGPT to solve some equations and some problems in different coding languages. Okay, here is a website. Okay, and I will put the link to this website inside the resources of this lesson. It has a lot of challenges inside this website, as you can see, with different levels of difficulty from very easy to expert. Okay, if you want to practice some specific coding language, you can come here and practice that. And as you can see, it has a lot of different languages: C#, C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, and Swift. Okay, so you can come here, select the level of difficulty and try to solve it. Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to use ChatGPT to solve these challenges. And also we can tell ChatGPT to teach us and explain how it solved it, or we can tell ChatGPT to solve it in different ways. So let's practice on the on an easy example. So I'm going to open this challenge here. All right, so here it explained the challenge. Okay, and we have to come here inside the code and complete this challenge, then click on check. If we completed it correctly, it will pass the test. Okay, so all I'm going to do is to come here and copy the instructions, and there are some notes. I'm just going to copy them. Okay, and let's come to ChatGPT and explain that, all right, we have a challenge. All right, so I mentioned that we have a challenge and I want you to solve it. Then I'm going to paste the instructions. And after that, I'm going to paste the starter code, okay? Or we can come here and copy the code. Okay, where was it? Here it is. Paste it. And then ChatGPT in a couple of seconds will solve this challenge for us, okay? But this one was very simple. As you can see, it only added a line of code. And if I come here inside the code tab and paste this, and if I click on check, it will pass. Okay, so it passed, and then we can go for the next. So this was very simple equation, right? And after that, let's go for something extremely challenging. All right, I'm not sure if that one is expert level, so I'm gonna come here again and solve one of the equations from here. Okay, so I'm going to copy all of this code, okay, and write down next challenge, paste all of the instructions and examples there, then come to code, copy the code that we have at the beginning, and wait for ChatGPT to solve this one, which is way more challenging, right? All right, more or less the answer is ready. Okay, it is explaining how it solved it. And here's the code that we have to write to complete this challenge. So I'm going to copy the code, come here and paste it. Okay, let's click on check. And as you can see, it passed all the tests and we can submit it. Right. Also on this website, you can come to solutions, click on unlock solutions to see the solutions that other users wrote for each challenge. Okay. Now you can also come here and tell ChatGPT that, all right, solve this challenge like a beginner in programming, or like an expert in programming, or write it or complete this challenge in the shortest way possible. Okay, these are all the ways that you can solve some equations using ChatGPT. Okay, so that was all about this lesson. I will see you in the next part.